Hey guys, Dylan Hobble here, just doing a quick refresher video on Wevideo for anyone that wants to use this in their classroom to better help their students learn what they're talking about or whatever the lesson might be. So, how we learned in class with Wevideo, you always want to start off with your sample text. Now how you get there is you're going to come up to text, always go under starter because it's the free ones. And as you can see here on mine, I just did the basic subtitle box text and just put the vocab word helpful of service and assistance. After that, you just decide how long you want it to be. As you can see here, I made mine about 23 milliseconds, give or take. Now, after every video clip or just basic like text box that you have, you're going to put in a transition, which is up here. So you're going to choose what transition you want under standard, and you're going to click it, and you're going to drag it down to where you want it to be. As you can see, I already have a basic one. It's just a little rainbow goes across. And what's nice about that is you can also edit it too by clicking on it and putting in the duration. Oops, as you can see there, I deleted it. That's perfectly okay. After that, you're going to want to have your videos in. And in case you forget how to add videos, you're going to come here to Media, this little green Import Media cloud. You're going to click that. And then here's where you're going to drag and drop your videos and your audio. After you drag and drop them in there, a little blue bar is going to appear right here. It's going to say, 20%, 60%, 80%, 100%, showing that everything was uploaded. After it's all uploaded, you're going to see all your videos and audio right here. And all you're going to do is just drag it down. I put mine in video 2 to edit it. And to edit a specific video clip, you click it and you want to make sure that it has this orange background. And then if you need to zoom in so you have more frames that you can see, just do the little zoom bar down here. Edit it how you want it. Just make sure it's orange and highlighted. You're going to click the little scissor button and it's going to snip it. And you just get rid of what you don't need. Delete it. Simple as that. So as you can see here, I already have my video set up. I have my first clip, like I said. Have a little bit of fun going on with what it looks like. Down here, you can edit that later. We'll cover this in another video. Then down here, I have my other transition, video clip, transition, video clip. Always make sure to have a transition between each video. Now for the music, it's super simple how to do. You're just going to drag your audio log down here into audio 1. And how I trimmed mine is I finished my video editing first, and I put the song in, and once it's highlighted, as you can see, it lets you lengthen and short per video file, but if you get close, it kind of snaps in. That's the simplest thing to do with the video. Once it's done, there's going to be a finish button. Just hit finish, publish it, save it. Super simple, guys. I really hope this was a quick refresher. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email through the class website.